So yoga yukto vishuddhatma, this we have to, we'll chant together. Seventh one, sorry. Yoga yukto vishuddhatma vijitatma jitendriyah sarva bhutatma bhutatma kurvannapi na lipyate. Now therefore, now Bhagavan Krishna says that, before that I just wanted to inform, if you are really interested you can write down, the first 6 slokas, Bhagavan actually clarifies or clearly the terms, what is ashrama, what is the sannyasa term, what is the yoga. These terms are very well briefed. Nishtadvayam was spoken in first to 6 verses. Then 7 to 12 verses in 5th chapter, 7 to 12, Pradhana Rupena, predominantly Bhagavan Krishna spoke about Karma Yoga. And everywhere the other picture also he gives along with it. What is the picture? Jnani picture also he gives. But Pradhana Amsha, Karma Yoga. Then 13 to 21st verses, Pradhana topic is Jnana Yogam. One who is established in Jnanam. And 22nd to 26th, he gives a very beautiful one spiritual value of Vairagya. He gives, because without Vairagya, we will not be fit enough for meditation. Abhyasa Vairagyabhyam tan nirodha Yoga Sutra. Abhyasena ta kaunteya Vairagyena cha gruhyate Bhagavad Gita. Same thing. Yoga Shastra it is, that's why it is called. So therefore, 20 to 26th verses, Bhagavan Krishna gives a value, spiritual value, dispassion, Vairagya mainly speaks about it. Then 27th and 29th, he lays foundation for the next chapter called Dhyana Yoga, meditation. Bhoktaram yajna tapasam sarvaloka maheshwaram suhrudam sarvabhutanam jnatva mam shanti mruchati. He lays foundation for that in last 3 verses and takes you to meditation. So now, 7th verse, Bhagavan Krishna says, now continues. What is it I said now? 7th to 12th is Karma Yoga. Now, what is the qualification? In this sloka, Bhagavan speaks about qualifications. So, what is that? Yoga yuktaha vishuddhatma vijitatma jitendriyaha sarva bhutatma bhutatma. 5 qualifications. First one is yoga yuktaha, meaning, remember friends, simple, I will simplify it. Yoga yukta means karma yogi, meaning one who is always yoked, one who is always dedicated to his duties, kartavya karma, with right attitude, without forgetting the purpose or goal of life. So, kartavya karma, our duties, ordained duties as per the scriptures, plus right kind of attitude, plus awareness of the purpose of our life. Higher purpose. To the extent you can visualize, to that extent that it becomes your higher purpose. That depends upon your evolution. So these 3 together, what did I say? First one, your duties, that is with right attitude, with awareness of the purpose of life. Without awareness of the purpose of life, people in this world, so many people, they are good, they did their duties, they performed their duties, but unhappy. Always unhappy, 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 not fulfilled. Maja nahi aata hai. Say one thing, living itself is joy, not living for joy. Atmatriptascha manavaha. Beautiful. So Bhagavan says, first one, yoga yuktaha. I explained to that. Second one is vishuddhatma. Vishuddhatma meaning, Mahatma is your mind, pure mind, sattva shuddhi, sattva samshuddhi. Abhayam sattva samshuddhi, 16th chapter, Bhagavan Krishna speaks. Meaning, pure mind. The pure mind means the mind from in which there is no question of raga, dvesha, ityadi. As long as Bahirmukha mana is there, so many troubles we get, unnecessary troubles. So mind is purified, slowly becoming purer and purer, day by day, day by day, day by day. That's why, Maitreya asked Yajnavalkya, after distributing the property and all, where are you going? To jungle. For what? There must be some joy in jungle. That's why you are giving everything and going back out. Yes, what is that joy? Atma Jnanam, give me that and go. धोखा देके जा रहे हो. You are cheating me and going away. Like wrapper you are giving and chocolate you are taking. Very dangerous husband you are. First teach me everything. So beautiful thing. So Vishuddhatma, pure mind. Purity comes only very simple thing. When Karma Yoga you practice, slowly Anthakarna becomes purer and purer. There is no unnecessary topic, gossip, discussions, nothing. I am asking one thing. Always I tell in Chennai also, I told many times, because I was in Chennai also. You really want to progress spiritually? Promise? Throw your TV. I know you will not. People say, there are many things, good things also to see. I have no television. Good things are there. Okay, good things are there. What will you do? Many good things you see and get confused. அவர் இப்படி சொன்னார், அவர் இப்படி சொன்னார், அவர் அப்படி சொன்னார், என்ன பண்ணணும் இப்போ? ஐயோ, पागल लोग. What else I can do? Say. You see all kachara. Open dustbin every day morning and put all dust inside. And close it and guard it very carefully. And discuss with every useless other person. काम धंधा नहीं है क्या आप लोगों को? No other work? Nonsense. So, when you stop watching TV, you become Vishuddhatma. That's the meaning. Okay? So, Vijitatma, well controlled. Jitatma, Vijitatma means control over the body. So, Bhagavan Shankaracharya says, Vijita Dehaha. Meaning, well control over body, physical body. Whatever way you want to bring that control, first you bring the control over the body also. Do sadhana, whatever you do, purpose should not be forgotten. As some, har jagah pe, everywhere, people long walk they go, morning walk, 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, sweat and come and eat 10 parathas. With the butter, gitter, aloo, what is the use? Exercise 100 units and eating 200 units. No use. So, Jite Indriyaha, then of course, master over senses, Sarva Bhutatma Bhutatma, Sarvesham Brahmadinam Stamba Paryantanam Bhutanam, Atma Bhutaha Atma, Pratyak Chetanaya, Pratyak Chetano, Yasya Sa Sarva Bhutatma Bhutatma, Samyak Darshi Ityartaha. Samyak Darshi. Sarabha, Savar Paryantam, Brahma, everywhere, Sarabha, you see your own self everywhere and a whole thing becomes your own self. Sarva Bhutatma, see, Sa Atma Bhutaha Atma. Sarva Samma Paryantanam Bhutanam Atma Bhutaha Atma. Everything has become your own self. Samyak Darshi Ityartaha. So everywhere you see your own self, your own aware, everywhere. One consciousness alone you are aware. Therefore, Kurvannapi Nalapyati. Such a person with these qualifications, Kurvannapi, Karma Kurvannapi, Bhagavan Shankaracharya says, Na tatra evam vartamanaha lokasangrahaya karma kurvannapi. See, lokasangrahaya karma kurvan na lipyate. Meaning, such a man, lokasangrahardam karma kurvannapi. Bhagavan Shankaracharya himself worked so much, no? You read Shankara Advaita and become lazy. Take his name. What about Shankaracharya? He worked whole life. His life also extended by Vyasa Bhagavan. I don't want. You have to work. You wrote so many commentaries. Who will read? Nobody will read. Nobody will read. You have to do prachar. But this was not in my agenda. Never mind, I am extending that. But I wanted to go. No way. Okay, then started prachar. Vigorous work. How many mathams he established, how many books he wrote, how many commentaries he wrote, how many people he awakened, how many times he traveled length and breadth of the country. So therefore Bhagavan says, Loka sangrahaya karma kurvan nalipyate. So kurvan napi nalipyate meaning what? Which karma you are doing? All nonsense you do, all papa karmas you do, nalipyate. Aham brahmasmi. Some people ask, early morning, why don't you get up? Aham brahmasmi. There is no morning, there is no day, night. I am beyond time. Kalatitaha. 10 दिन में एक बार खाना खिलाएंगे तेरे को. 10 days, once in 10 days, we give you lunch or dinner. Will you eat? No. Therefore, that there is no kalatita and all that. The philosophy for our convenience, to support our laziness, that is bad. Therefore, loka sangrahaya karma kurvan nalipyate. Even though you are working for society constantly, na karma bhi bhadyate ityartha, he is not bound. Therefore, these 5 qualifications are required for our transformation, to begin our journey. Now, in this, Bhagavan again says, Nacha asau paramarthataha karoti ataha. Now, this man, this jnani now, again Karma Yoga, the qualifications are given, you reach the higher state, then the jnani actually paramarthataha na karoti, na karma kurvan na lipyate, yes, but that means he is doing paramarthataha, essentially he doesn't do anything. In reality, he doesn't do anything with jnani. So, karma yoga you practice, you reach that jnani. Contra picture is given. What is that? Now, nacha asau paramarthataha karoti ataha. In fact, in reality, it does nothing.